Hello traders, investors, beginners and also experienced market participants. If you follow the situation on exchanges, you know that apart from the recession, there is nothing interesting on them yet. Bitcoin can't go higher than $20,000, projects are closing, staff are getting fired, and so on. All in all, the situation is a bit negative. However, even against such a bad background, there is an opportunity to make money. And such an opportunity offers you a project, called whalemaker. About this project I have already told in my video review recently, but now the project has new updates, and in fact, about them I will tell in this video. But first, let me briefly remind you of the whalemaker project itself. So, whalemaker, it's the only multi-chain on the market, with a guaranteed ROI of up to 18%, and the ROI is valid every 45 days. The project launched in May of this year, and since the launch, the price of its token, which is called WMF, has gone up more than 2,000% compared to what it was at pre-sale. And also, the market capitalization of the token was over $1 million in a couple of days, and continues to grow. Agree, in such negative market conditions, it is a very good indicator. Whalemaker was launched by a group of investors with extensive experience in cryptocurrencies and fiat. Their mission is to enable you to profit in the cryptocurrency market. Of course, they don't promise that you'll be millionaires in a week, but they do give you a profit guarantee, and it doesn't matter what happens in the crypto market. Whalemaker provides profits for everyone, with a simple mechanism of its work. Namely, first, the project team together with experienced investors looks for the most promising projects in the cryptocurrency sphere, and the search goes on a regular basis. Then, each project is checked, to see what growth potential it has and how it can develop further. And the next step, is for the whalemaker team, together with investors, assess the possible effectiveness of a particular project. And already after a thorough check, whalemaker invests in the most profitable and safe projects, in order to get the maximum profit for its investment fund. The team also conducts margin trading, so that all clients can make a profit. Oh, I almost forgot to remind you, that the main feature of whalemaker, is that only this project offers a high APY and a unique return on investment in its investment fund, while guaranteeing a minimum 10% ROI per month. Also very soon they will launch a project with higher ROI higher risk option. Also, you can stake your WMF tokens, and get a steady income from staking every week, provided by the tax that is charged on the transactions. And now let's move on to new developments in the project. Let me remind you, the first round was held on May 29th and it was very successful. The liquidity pool was filled by more than 75% in just 24 hours, which shows the confidence of investors in the fund. The result was 17% ROI for 45 days, which have already been paid to investors, and it happened on July 12th. During the first round of funding through staking pools, dividends of about $45,000 were distributed to the first investors, along with daily staking rewards. In less than 2 months, they became multi-chain by moving to the Binance network and provided a 15-day staking pool and liquidity mining pools, with payout in BNB cryptocurrency. Then the whalemaker team reported that they kept their promise, and gave their investors almost $300,000 profit at the end of the second round. And the profit distribution began on September 9th and lasted until September 11th. They also ran NFT collections, and these collections were run on different blockchains, namely one for each BRC and BSC chain. NFT now is the key to enter each pool, and NFTs are also multipliers of the final ROI. As for the NFTs themselves, here they are in the form of royal whales, those are the ones that are in the Breeze ecosystem, and provide you with lifetime access to the fund pools. And then there are NFTs in the form of majestic whales, that is those that are in the Binance ecosystem, and also provide lifetime access to fund pools. NFTs are also the key to entering a funding round, for guaranteed profits through staking pools at SPH1X Labs along with your WMF tokens. And these NFTs are also multipliers for your WMF stake, and allow you to get up to 18% ROI every 45 days. Also, from the news in the project, is the new listings on the centralized exchanges. Namely, the new listing on the P2B exchange, which occurred on October 4th, and the new listing on the DG Phoenix exchange, which occurred on September 23rd. These events drew attention to whalemaker, and many investors showed interest in the project. Also, is expected the excitement around the third round of whalemaker. Which is very obvious, if you look at the best market capitalization projects in the Breeze network, where the whalemaker fund has been in first place since its inception, and the market capitalization here is much higher than any other project in a particular network. The third whalemaker staking pool will also be 45 days, and it already has more than $4,200,000 locked. In my opinion, this is a great solution for passive income seekers, regardless of your experience level, as the team does all the work, giving everyone a chance to become a so-called crypto whale. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, the key to entering the 45-day pool is at least one NFT available in both the BRC and BSC chains. NFT collections are selling like crazy, because they also act as a multiplier for ROI. I also talked about this earlier in the video, and this pool will end as early as November 9th. So if you're interested in passive income, I think you need to hurry up and get into it. For now, whalemaker token is currently traded on decentralized exchanges, such as DG Phoenix, P2B and SPHYNX Labs. You can see it on CoinMarketCap, but I think soon the number of exchanges will increase, as capitalization grows. As for the future plans of the whalemaker team, based on the roadmap, in the first quarter of 2023 will be distributed 5% of the profits from past rounds for charitable purposes, and will also be launched audit and consulting services for project owners. The second quarter will include a few more analysts on the team, and will be provided a new version of the roadmap. In the end, I can say that the project whalemaker guarantees you a profit, even if it is not too big, but this profit will be stable. Also, you do not have to do the research yourself and make different trading strategies. Instead of you, it will be the experienced team of the project whalemaker. If you are interested in the project, then subscribe to Social Networks Whalemaker to keep abreast of all the news, which, in my opinion, in the future will be a lot, because the project is developing and is constantly adding something new. In my part, I wish you success with whalemaker, but the main thing to remember is that this is still a cryptocurrency project, which means that there are likely risks. Before investing, be sure to conduct your own studying of the project, and then make a well-balanced decision to enter this project or not. Well, that's the end of my today's video. Leave your comments about the project. Also, if you liked the video, then put a like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.